proactive investigation unit, following extensive investigations coming from a double murder which took place in the Mall Road here on the 7th of July, the information would have led us to several locations across St. Andrews South Division. Information led us to Cheatwood Avenue, where, with warrant, a premises was searched. At that premises, with occupants, some 91 5.56 and 9 7.62 rounds were recovered, along with an assaulted rifle and 3 handguns. It is believed that these firearms are firearms belonging to gangs operating not just in the St. Andrews South, but possibly St. Andrews Central and other divisions across Area 4. This is a part of our effort in St. Andrews South and the wider Area 4 on the Operation Iron Shield to rid our streets and our communities of firearms, and also to see to the apprehension of wanted men. I must give commendation to the investigators surrounding this matter, be it from PIU or the CIB, the cadre of investigators that came together in the use of not just the traditional methods of statement collection, but how we would have unearthed much of the evidence through the use of technology. A secondary follow-up operation surrounding the recovery of these firearm and ammunition would have led us to the apprehension of one suspect in that very same double murder. He's currently being questioned. Of course, his identity is being withheld at this time following our investigations. But we continue to appeal to residents, we continue to appeal to family members, to residents across the St. Andrews South Division to cooperate with the police, to work with us as we continue our thrust to take down the high volume, the high number of murders and shootings and violent crimes in our division, as also to remove the guns from the streets to ensure that we have safer communities.